Hello student, here chapter 3rd data handling exercise 3.1. Today we do sum number 6 to 9 plus example of this exercise. Sum number 6 is on your screen. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of a student in the science test are: find the first, highest and the lowest marks obtained by the student. Highest mark, that is 95. Lowest mark, that is, find from here, 39. Second part, range of the marks. Range means to say highest mark minus lowest mark minus lowest marks. Highest marks 95 minus 39 makes 56. Third, mean marks obtained by the group. Mean marks means to say average, sum of total marks, sum of total marks by में total test means to the sum of observation by में total number of observation. You can put this formula in all questions. For mean, sum of observation by में total number of observation in place of this. Solving ऐड करके दिखाएंगे आप. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total by में, that is 10. After adding, you have 950 by 10. Cut 0 from 0. Answer is 95. That is the marks obtained, mean marks obtained by the group. Next one is sum number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years, consecutive लगातार, as follows. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. These are what we have to find: mean enrollment. Formula: sum of observation by में total number of observation. Sum of observation आप इन सभी को ऐड करके दिखाएंगे. बाय में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After adding all these, we got. Now divide. These are the mean enrollment. At last write the answer. Mean enrollment equals to 2058. Sum number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Day rainfall: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In first part, find the range of rainfall in above data. Range means to say highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. That is, highest is 20.5, lowest 0.0. After minus, answer is 20.5. Second one, find the mean rainfall. Mean rainfall, you put the formula sum of observation by May, total number of observation. After it, show this add by May 7. After adding, we have 41.3 by 7. Cut it, you got 5.9. That is the mean rainfall. Third, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Less means to say come. We will count less than 5.9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down how many days. 5 days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. Next is question number 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follows. Height. What is the height of the tallest girl? First part. Height of the tallest girl, that is 151. Height of the shortest girl, that is, see from here, 128. What is the mean height? Third part. What is the range of data? Range of data. Highest height minus lowest height, that is 23 after subtracting. Fourth, what is the mean height of the girl? Mean height. Formula sum of observation by May total number of observation. आप इस तरह से एडिंग शो करेंगे. आफ्टर पुटिंग द फॉर्मूला by how much girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put dot because of 10. How many girls have a height more than the mean height? More than the mean height. Mean height is 141.4. We count above it. इससे ऊपर आपने काउंट करना है. काउंट कीजिए. Above 141. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 girls. You have to pick from here only. 5 girls have heights more than the mean height. Write always in complete sense. Next is example number 1. In example number 1, Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours on 3 consecutive days. How many hours does he study daily on an average? Solution: study hours 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours in consecutive days. Average: sum of hours by में total days, or we can write here sum of observation by में total number of observation. 4 plus 5 plus 3 by 3 makes 12 by 3 makes 4 hours per day. That is its average. Example number 2. A batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. These are: calculate mean runs scored by him. Directly we do mean runs. Formula: sum of observation by में total number of observation. Sum of observation 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55 by 6. Add it. Add करेंगे आप 282 by 6. Now 2 3 जा 2 1 जा 4 जा 1 जा 3 4 जा 3 7 जा. Your answer is 47 runs. Mean runs. Last example of this exercise 3.1, that is the age in years of 10 teachers of a school are. What is the age of oldest and youngest teacher? First we can arrange it also. You do it self. Solution: age of oldest teacher. सबसे बड़ा कौन है? 54 years. Age of youngest teacher, सबसे छोटा 23 ईयर का है टीचर. Second part, what we have to find? Range of the ages of the teacher. That is oldest teacher minus youngest teacher. 53 minus 54 minus 23 makes 31 years. Last one is part third. What is the mean age? For mean age, sum of the ages of all teachers by May, total teachers, but we put here directly formula, sum of observation by May, total number of observation. Sum of observation means to say 32 plus 41 plus 28 plus 54 plus 35, 26 plus 23 plus 33 plus 38 plus 40 by how much teachers? 10. Add. After adding it becomes 350 by 10 makes 35 years. Thank you. Have a nice day.